Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger explaining why real estate is a lousy investment. We both have considerable experience in real estate, and Charlie built his early fortune in the field. The second and most crucial argument is that real estate isn't a commodity, yet it tends to be priced more appropriately for well-developed real estate. During the RTC time, when there were a large number of transactions, an owner who didn't want to be an owner who didn't know what they owned, etc., there was a great deal of mispricing. Then I know a few individuals in this place that made a large amount of money off of it. But under normal circumstances, it's difficult to discover real estate that's mispriced. I mean, when you look at the deals that REITs are now engaging in, you can get a lot of information on this type of stuff. It's a competitive business, and they all know what a Class A office in Chicago or anywhere will yield, or at least they have. They may all be incorrect as a result of some unique happenings, but it's difficult to dispute conventional knowledge in the real estate industry most of the time. Occasionally, though, there have been large possibilities in the area, but if they exist, it will be because there's a lot of volatility in real estate finance, which is one of the reasons why we've done real estate financing. For large-scale mispricing across the board, it is likely necessary to restrict the flow of cash to a significant extent. We have no competitive edge against experienced real estate investors, and we would not have one unless we were operating using our own money as a partnership or as a company taxable under Section C of the Internal Revenue Code, such as Berkshire. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. There is a whole layer of corporation taxes between real estate income and the use of that money by the real estate owners. Therefore, by its very nature, real estate is a poor investment for those taxed under Subchapter C of the Internal Revenue Code, which applies to companies. The combination of having a tax structure that generally permits real estate activity and having no special expertise in the field means that we invest almost no time worrying about real estate. Furthermore, we have a poor track record when it comes to real estate transactions, such as holding surplus real estate and attempting to sell it. C Corps truly makes no sense. I mean, I am aware that there are C Corps that are involved in real estate, but there are more attractive structures. Lloyd's is an attempt at it to some degree, but there are no alternative structures that work effectively for large insurance businesses. Similarly, you can't have a Walmart that is not a C Corp because they aren't subject to S Corp or partnership competition, which decides the returns on capital in our area. However, if you're competing with S equivalent of S Corp's rates or partnerships or people, you're at an economic disadvantage as a C Corp. For those of you who don't regularly read the Internal Revenue Code, a C Corp is a regular vanilla corporation, and it is highly improbable that the disadvantage of our organization combined with the competitive nature of others with superior structures purchasing such assets would ever result in something truly fascinating. Although I would argue that we missed the boat somewhat during the RTC days, the market was sufficiently inefficient, and there was a dearth of funding that we might have earned a lot of money if we had been prepared. There were a few deals that were rather intriguing, but none that were substantial in proportion to our overall capital. We seriously considered acquiring the Irvine Corporation when it became available. This is the only major acquisition we seriously considered. That was around 1977. Mobil Oil was curious about. Don Bren ended up putting up a group for it, although it's possible but doubtful that anything similar might occur. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more and be more financially literate? Click on the next videos we have in our channel, showing on the screen right now.